Are you sure you are really interested in making money online this period? You want to make money from the comfort of your home just with your smartphone and maybe with WhatsApp or TikTok or any other social media platform of your choice, then this video is for you. Before I go right into it, click on this plus button here to follow me, then like the video and share to 1, 2, 3 or 4 friends. All right. Okay, there are very many platforms that are launching in this June. Some are launching in July. And the platforms have so many benefits. The thing is, when you want to get registered in any of these platforms, you have to register under an active, very, very active upliner like me. Platforms like ClickSense is launching in 28th of this very month, is 6,000 naira. We have platform like Alexa is still launching next month, that's July, 1st of July, and it's 6,000 naira. There are very many other platforms, but I want to give you the best of the rest. Do you understand? So what are you waiting for? Just, if you've not followed me already, follow me, like this video, share to 2, 3 or 4 friends, then reach me on the phone number that is showing right on my bio, or just come to my DM. If you don't see any phone number, come to my DM and we'll take it up from there. So see you. Let's make money together. Someone will be wondering, okay, what is ClickSense? ClickSense is a social media advertising agency that makes you earn money daily just by liking videos, by clicking on videos, clicking on ads, liking ads, and doing some small daily tasks. Same with Alexa. With Alexa, you can get your Facebook monetized easily. Make money from these online platforms. There is mad money to be made online. What are you waiting for? Just tell me I'm interested or come to my DM. Let's take it up from there. Don't forget, ClickSense is 6,000 naira, Alexa is 6,000 naira. And if you are registering now, before it launches, you have access to my mentorship group where I'm going to train you on some other very sweet things that you are going to benefit from, things that are going to be very beneficial to you. Do you understand? So, see you in my DM. Bye.